Singso Chabangu, the embattled in the recently ousted Secretary General of the Citizen Coalition for Change, is publicly endorsed President Mnangagwa's continued rule. Sanapana mashoko ationa kuti Singso Chabangu yesterday anotaura mashoko achisuggesta kuti aiwa kuimprova President Mnangagwa stay in power aiwa zvinoita kuti vagari venyika yeZimbabwe vafare. Sanapana mashoko amudanyika pana apa nobva subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tipina pana pamwe umweni komuchinzi. The endorsement came on Sunday during Chabangu's visit to Mnangagwa's family Kwekwe, where he was accompanied by a handful of TPC lawmakers aligned with his faction. Chabangu was even platform to address the ZANU-PF gathering, where he declared his support for Mnangagwa remaining in power indefinitely if it aligned with the will of the people. Chabangu's appearance and remarks at the event have further cemented his reputation as a ZANU-PF ally, drawing sharp criticism from the Tutsi supporters. Despite being dismissed from the opposition party last week, Chabangu introduced himself at the event as the leader of the opposition, a bold claim that he has intensified political tension. His dismissal followed a High Court ruling that reversed his controversial reshuffle of parliamentary roles, a move widely interpreted as an attempt to sideline Nelson Chamisa loyalists. Chabangu's participation in a ZANU-PF gathering and his endorsement of Mnangagwa's Vision 2030 highlights the ongoing instability within the TPC. Ndo mashuka tuko not aiwa tiona Singso Chabangu aiwa achidismissiwa nokumana High Court wachitema mamwe members at the Citizen Coalition for Change ano achiaddressa as the leader of the main opposition zvatinyaso kuona kuti apana kwatiri kuenda. On top of that anobva anoendosa mutungamiri wenyika kuti aiwa anofanira kuramba achitonga beyond 2028 kusvika 2030. Zvanyatso kuonekwa kuti aiwa zvava zvanyatso kusimenda kuti this guy aiwa haasitomuri munhu weopposition, munhu zvake ari just an ally with the ruling party. Tudze mafungiro enyu kuti kudii pamusoro pechiitiko ichi. Kunyange mesection yedu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.